for our chicken. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour and half a cup of cornstarch. I'm just gonna get all of that out of here. Try to stir that around. And then we have 1 egg. We're gonna add a tablespoon of liquid aminos. This is an alternative to soy sauce. It's healthier and it's less sodium, but I like to use this as much as I can. So we're gonna add a whole teaspoon of that. And then we're going to add a little water. All right, I'm adding more water because you want the consistency to be kind of like a pancake batter. And we haven't gotten there yet, so let's pour the rest of that in there. Keep stirring. Get down on it. Just stir and stir and stir and stir. Keep stirring it. It's kind of getting to the consistency that I want. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Half a teaspoon. That's about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. And you see the consistency. And then I'm just going to sprinkle in my fresh ground pepper. This thing is moving all over the place here. I wanted to have a little color on my stand here, my counter. Okay, so now you see the consistency of that? Can you see that? Let me get a spoon so you can see it better. Okay, so this is the consistency. You can see it, how it's coming out like that. And that's how you want it to be. Okay, my chicken has been marinating. Here it is right here. It's been marinating for about 30 minutes in the amino soy sauce and pepper. So I'm going to add it to the batter here and mix it up real good. And then I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes. All right, we're going to start adding our chicken. And I'm just picking it up with tongs. And making layers. And these tongs that I have, they have little slots in them, slits, holes that will help drain that batter off. You know, it looks a mess, but it's gonna be really, really good when it's done. All right, the first batch is done. I'm just gonna put that in the pan. Some paper towels. Alrighty, we're down to the end now. We're getting ready to get our sauce mixed in with our meat, and guess what sauce I'm using? Panda Express orange sauce is exactly what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to pour that in this skillet because our chicken is done. And I'm going to pour it in there. Got a half a bottle so far. And then I'm just going to put my meat in the chicken sauce. Looking good. The meat is tasting good even without some salt. Tasting really good. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit for a minute. Stir. Stir that around real good. I'm gonna have to add some more sauce. There we go. Get that in there. Toss that around real good. And what we're doing is just getting our sauce warmed up because our meat is already cooked and warm. So I just want to warm up the sauce. And there we have orange chicken. Who needs takeout when you can make it at your house on your own? You don't need to go out. Do it at home. It's all done.